Can Uniswap cross the trend line hurdle of $12? This question has been on the minds of many crypto enthusiasts. Let's delve into the current state of Uniswap, the token that's been making waves in the crypto space. Currently, Uniswap is trading at $11.24. In recent times, the token has seen a decline of over 28%. This is a significant dip, but it's not all gloom and doom. Uniswap has been consolidating near the 50-day exponential moving average, a key technical indicator that traders use to analyze price trends. This consolidation shows a lower low structure, which can be a precursor to a potential price surge. There's been some chatter about Uniswap retesting the $15 mark. While this may seem like a tall order given the current price, it's not out of the realm of possibility. The crypto market is known for its volatility, and price jumps are not uncommon. However, it's crucial to remember that price predictions are not guarantees. They are based on current and past market data, and the crypto market is susceptible to an array of external factors, from regulatory news to macroeconomic events. Uniswap's recent downturn and subsequent consolidation near the 50-day EMA have inevitably led to questions about its future price direction. On the one hand, the lower low structure suggests the possibility of a price surge. On the other hand, the significant price decline points to a bearish trend. Now, with a monthly return ratio of negative 24.30% and a yearly return of 86.89%, the question remains, can Uniswap break the $12 barrier? Let's delve into Uniswap's trading volume and sentiment. Firstly, we've seen a significant decrease in Uniswap's trading volume recently. This drop might initially seem concerning, but it's important to note the silver lining here. Despite the overall decrease, the intraday volume has experienced a surge. It's risen by a noteworthy 15.89%. This intraday upswing indicates that there's still a considerable amount of activity and interest in Uniswap within the trading community. Now, let's talk about price volatility. It's been below average for Uniswap. While this might seem like a dampener, it's not necessarily a bad thing. Lower volatility implies less erratic price movement, and that can mean a more stable investment for traders and investors alike. Moving on to sentiment, it's been positive around Uniswap. This upbeat sentiment, despite the reduced trading volume, is something to take note of. It suggests that the community is optimistic about Uniswap's future and sees value in this crypto asset. One more aspect to highlight is the considerable increase in social dominance. It's gone up by an impressive 75%. Social dominance is a measure of how much a particular cryptocurrency is being discussed in social media platforms compared to others. This uptick indicates that Uniswap is increasingly becoming a topic of discussion and interest within the crypto community. Despite the reduced trading volume, the sentiment around Uniswap remains positive, suggesting potential for growth. What does the derivative data tell us about Uniswap's future? Let's dive right into it. Uniswap has seen a notable increase in development activity, with a rise of 6.7%. Now, this isn't just a random number. It's an indicator of the team's dedication to improving the platform. It signifies innovation, progress, and a drive to provide a better trading experience for users. This increase in development activity is an encouraging sign for Uniswap's future, indicating that the team behind the token is not only active, but also focused on growth and improvement. But what about derivative data? It's indicating something called long unwinding. This might sound complicated, but let's break it down. Long unwinding is a scenario in the derivatives market where a security with a long position or a buy is sold off. This suggests that investors are becoming less bullish about Uniswap's short-term prospects. But don't be too quick to judge. This could also mean that investors are simply taking profits after a period of significant gains, which could potentially pave the way for new buyers to step in. Now let's touch on the mid-Bollinger Band support zone and the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, curve in the oversold region. The Bollinger Band is a tool used by traders to identify whether a price is high or low on a relative basis. With Uniswap's price close to the mid-Bollinger Band support zone, it indicates a potential turning point. Meanwhile, the RSI curve being in the oversold region suggests that Uniswap might be undervalued at the moment, which could attract buyers looking for a bargain. With development activity on the rise and derivative data indicating long unwinding, Uniswap's future looks promising. This is a story of continued growth and potential. These indicators paint a picture of a token that is not only surviving in the volatile world of crypto, but is also striving to thrive. So, keep an eye on Uniswap. Its journey is far from over. Where does Uniswap stand in the global market, and what can we expect in the near future? Uniswap, with its token UNI, is not just another name in the crypto world. It's a heavyweight contender packing a punch with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It's not just about the numbers though, it's about the position. Uniswap currently ranks as the 19th largest cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization. That's a spot in the top 20, in a playing field that's becoming more crowded by the day. Now let's talk about the current market dynamics. Uniswap has some solid ground beneath its feet, with support levels at $11 and $10.70. These are the safety nets, the cushions that can help soften any potential downward movements. But don't get too comfortable just yet. We've got resistance levels to contend with as well, at $11.80 and $12. These are the hurdles, the challenges that Uniswap needs to conquer. But here's the exciting part. The market trend for Uniswap is bullish. That means we're seeing a pattern of rising prices, a trend that's more about climbing mountains than sliding down slopes. A bullish trend doesn't just suggest stability, it indicates potential growth, a chance for Uniswap to flex its muscles and show what it's really capable of. And the future, well, it's looking rather bright. This bullish trend, coupled with Uniswap's solid market position and the potential for continued buying momentum, suggests that Uniswap could be on track for some serious outperformance. It's about more than just surviving in the crypto jungle. It's about thriving, growing, and pushing the boundaries. All signs point to a bullish trend for Uniswap, suggesting that crossing the $12 mark may not be far off.